Hey guys, welcome to Hilton's Computer Repair. I have another video for you. On this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can get Google Chrome on Windows 10. Now, getting Chrome is the same way steps you can do this on Windows 7 or Windows 8. If you're trying to get if you're trying to do this on a Windows Vista or Windows XP, letting you know that Google Chrome is not supported to download from there anymore. If you want it to be downloaded and installed on one of those for Vista or XP, you would probably need to get it from like FileHippo or from another source because Google has stopped supporting them. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing to do is go ahead and open up a browser. I'm going to use the wonderful, nice Microsoft Edge. On the search bar, or if you want to go to the top, if it's the same concept, you can just simply type in chrome.com and it will automatically transfer over to google.com/chrome, just to make it a little bit easier and less typing. From there, you'll see a download. Go ahead and select the file. You'll be asked if you want to do the Chrome's better and automatically sending usage, blah 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 blah. I'm just going to leave it as is. If you want to uncheck it, go for it. And after that, it'll ask if you want, if you're using a different browser, may ask you if you want to save the file or if you want to run the file. Whichever comes, just go ahead and let it download and run it. Once it comes up, you basically can exit out on whatever browser you're using. You may be prompt. You see right here it's asking me because the UAC, user account control. I'm going to go ahead and press yes for that file. If you have it turned off, then it will just instantly go ahead and load it. And it's loading right now, so I don't really need this browser anymore. And just give it a few seconds. It can take a few minutes or so. That's taking less than 20 seconds for me. After the file's been downloaded, it'll start installing on your computer. It seems that Google Chrome has been installed. After that, you can go ahead and just check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and go to like facebook.com, see if it wonderful works. It seems it works fine. And that's basically it. You finally got your Google Chrome installed. Thank you for watching from Hilton's Computer Repair, and I'll see you in another video.